Alright, let's look at our helpful hints for Wednesday. So choose the word with the connotation that best fits the sentence. So connotation is positive or negative. So you need to decide, is your sentence positive or negative, then fits the word that is the same. So I hate arguing with Sam, he's just so stubborn, or determined. Well, if you're arguing, that's probably a negative situation. So which word is going to be a negative word? Number 2, the dust storm swallowed a small desert town covering everything in a layer of dirt. So you need to figure out what type of figurative language this is. Is it a simile using like or as, metaphor comparing two things, saying one is another, personification, giving human qualities to a non-human thing, irony, situational, meaning the outcome is opposite than you expect, or hyperbole, extreme exaggeration. Then you need to write the meaning. So don't just tell me what it is, make sure you have the meaning. Number 3 is you are finding words that are positive, words that are negative that have this definition: to influence someone. So think about, if you're influencing someone, you are actually trying to do what? Author's purpose that we've talked about, or propaganda technique when you're trying to influence someone to do something. That could be a hint to help you. Which word, number 4, is related? You have to have ab in it, and if it's not the typical average or normal, it is ab what? What is the rest of our word? And then a synonym for pursue, synonym meaning the same, so what means the same as pursue if you are pursuing something or someone. A lot of times this happens um, on like cops, or in the news you can say they pursued the victim. So what does that mean? All right, good luck.